Hello everyone. Take this opportunity to thank all of you for your service, effort and dedication that you have displayed during this time. Really happy to see that our team has stuck to the task of providing service to our patient, and with lot of dedication and courage, the entire team is at the job of delivering services to our patient.
I take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues for working so hard so far, starting from the lockdown which started around March 23rd. I think it was a difficult time for everybody, and I'm really appreciative of the efforts that each one of you have put in, right from the nursing faculty to the security to the HR team for organizing the transport of all the people in and out. All these seem seamless. So when things go on very smoothly and efficiently, I'm sure that it's a great team effort what has brought this. And though they are unseen in the behind and operations are going on so effectively, it is a challenge, and I think I don't want anyone to think that the challenge is over and loosen their guard. This is going to be a continuous stage till the disease acquires herd immunity, which is the natural outcome of any of this kind of pandemics. Our hospitals of Manipal Group, I'm sure that all the employees are aware of all their responsibilities, and I would again like to thank each one of them for their tireless and sincere efforts in this ongoing pandemic.
ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
The hospital has given us a very good transportation facilities.
All of us could attend the duty on time, and I really appreciate the hard work of our drivers who have taken a lot of patience in bringing our staffs from the different locations of the city on time, and again reaching them back safely home.
ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Also, the hospital has provided the accommodation for the employees, those who require the accommodation.
The food facility at the same moment which has been given to the staffs, whoever has worked more than the 8 hours.
Many of our patients wanted to come to the hospital, but they could not come because of this lockdown. But our hospital management has taken a very good decision of video consultation, which many of the patients have utilized.
Every shift has been taken care. Regarding the protection, we were given the gloves, the mask, the face shield, the sanitizer. Every patient, whenever they are coming, they are being screened from the entrance and then they are sent in, so that every staff as well as the patient is at the safer side.
Last 50 odd days have been very tough for the hospital employees and the management. At this juncture, I would like to thank the doctors, the paramedics, the nursing staff, lab staff, front office staff, housekeeping staff. These are like the spokes in a wheel. Without the spokes, the wheel will not move forward.
As nurses, we are overwhelmed for the care and concern shown throughout by each and every one, be it providing adequate personal protective equipments, prophylaxis treatment for all, having one-to-one interactions for the frontline nurses and giving a listening ear to them, arranging Nurses Day celebrations even in spite of this stressful situation. Moreover, providing sessions on stress management so that each one eases our stress in this stressful situation. I feel very proud and overwhelmed that I am a part of this wonderful team.
I saw a couple of housekeeping staff with a sewing machine stitching masks. I was pleasantly surprised. Suddenly their roles are changed. This is creativity at its best. Blue team and COVID team, what we call, has been doing a excellent service.
We have a situation currently in the world which is unprecedented lockdown to contain COVID-19. So management has taken a cautious call on the safety of the employees and how the hospital will work with minimum workforce. So we have made nice arrangements for the staffs on their safety purpose, and I really appreciate all the doctors, nurses, as well as our hospital management staff, even the housekeeping, security and transport, who are all supporting the staffs in daily routine job.
ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಿದ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಅವರನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ.
I must appreciate the support and care of management of Manipal hospitals towards their employee in safety measures as well as secure transport too. As our Honorable Prime Minister says, this Manipal hospital of our local is going to be global very soon.